Alright, here we're going to making abstract art. Make sure you have your colors ready. I'm starting with a nice blue because, well, it's the darkest of the three colors that I have right there with me. Start by choosing a shape. I chose rectangles and squares. You want to make multiple mini rectangles around the page, with one or two big ones like this one here. If you can, make sure to keep those edges straight. You want around 10 shapes on the page. Too many and it'll be crowded. We are going to speed up here a little bit. Just continue to make those rectangles all across the page with different sizes. Wash your brush off and let that blue dry for about 1 minute. Next is green because it's slightly lighter than the blue. Same thing as before, just paint a few green rectangles around the page. However, now you want to start crossing over on some of the blue. Start to mix in shapes that stand alone, like what's up top, and some that cross over like what's in the middle. Clean your brush off and let it dry again. Next up is yellow, which is the lightest of our three colors. Rinse and repeat the same technique, draw different sizes and different shapes, and oops, I don't have enough yellow in there. Gotta get some more. I have liquid watercolor, so I have to add some more in to make sure that we can see the yellow a little bit easier. Another time I forgot to start recording. Let's do this again, but with different, darker colors. I chose purple, red, and blue. Let's mix in some different shapes too. As you can see, purple is already done, and it's time for red. Again, I didn't put enough watercolor in for the red, so let me go do that right now. Do the same as before and paint in some new areas and on top of the other shapes. Here is also lazy and didn't let the paint dry before adding new colors. Last but not least is blue. Putting on the finishing touches, and there we go. A nice abstract art to hang on the wall.